Joanna, welcome to my channel. It's early in the morning and I just got my coffee and I have 2 bags with stuff from B&M, but they are things that I have bought over a couple of weeks. The last time I went to B&M was, what was it, like the 10th of October. So these are things that you can find now. So let's begin. If you're new here, thanks for clicking on the link. It would be great if you considered subscribing. I hope my makeup is okay because I can't see well and I just slapped something on. And if you are a subscriber who continues on watching my videos, thanks for watching. So my glasses are getting a bit foggy because it's warm. Anyway, let's begin the haul. There are Christmas bits, so if you're not into Christmas, you're not going to like this haul. But there are other things as well, lots of cleaning products. So since I said it's Christmas, let's start with the Christmas grumpy old man. That's what I'm calling it. I don't know what it is called. It has a name. What are these called? Tell me. So these were £6 each. They're quite heavy. I bought 2, so the white one. And I also got a pink grumpy old man. And these are going to go under my Christmas tree or somewhere around the house. And I thought I'd buy 2. Because, yeah, one needs company. So 2 of these, they're really, really nice and soft. This one has a bit of a velvet feel to it. This is more like a woolen material. And very soft and cute. And they will look really nice with under my Christmas tree or around my Christmas tree or somewhere in the Christmas tree area. I'm going to show you some of the heavy things and the big things. So I got, what is this called? So this is called a super soft Chevron duvet set, which was £22. And it has this fleecy, furry material on the inside. And then this is the pattern, very close. It's got a little bit of a sparkle, but it's not too sparkly. And I'm going to put that on my bed later on in the month or winterish kind of period, because my house gets really cold. And because I've got storage heaters, and the storage heater in my bedroom is not the best. Hang on, let me just do something to this bit here. Okay, I want to organize my kitchen cupboards, so I bought some storage boxes from B&M. These were £4. I got 2 big ones, 1 and 2, and then I got a mini one to put like, you know, all the handy things in the house, like screws and screwdrivers and hammers and things like that, just to store them in there, because I don't have a toolkit and I'm not going to buy a toolkit, but I do have a few things that need storage. So I want to organize my cupboard, which is behind you, and yeah, I got some little boxes to put things in boxes so they're not flowing all over the place. Then, hang on, let me straighten you because I think you've gone a bit wonky. Okay. Let's move on to cleaning. I think I got lots of cleaning products. Just bring everything here because it's quite heavy. So let's begin. I got a reed diffuser. I've never tried the B&M ones. This was called Snowfall, and it's got the reeds in it, and I like my house smelling nice, so I guess who doesn't? But yeah, I like having nice scents. And so I got this one. This was £4. I got lots and lots of sponges. These are 10 non-scratch scouring sponges. So these are cleaning me softly. 10 sponges, because you always need those. I got, this smells amazing. So it's the concentrated Fabulosa Disinfectant all in one. It's a disinfectant spray. You can use it on hard and soft surfaces. And I got this, and my partner got the same. I got the wild rhubab Fabulosa. Oh, it smells amazing. This is the second one we got, and it's really, really nice. I think we got it more for the scent than for what it actually does. because I don't know how disinfectant sprays are. Anyway, I got a Lenor Rose Wonderland, and this is Mrs. Hinch's Winter Edition. I've heard of Mrs. Hinch. I don't know who she is. I know that she has lots of cleaning stuff. Sorry if you are like, you don't know who Mrs. Hinch is. Anyway, let me smell this Winter Wonderland, Rose Wonderland scent. I love roses. The rosier, the better. It smells like roses. Not overpowering though. It's a nice... Yeah, I think it smells a little bit like an orange as well. I don't know. Soapy. Nice and clean. So that is the Lenor Rose Wonderland. It's for 52 washes. I've been doing quite a bit of washing, so I'm excited to use that. Another cleaning product, I got the fabric Freshener Febreze. I love using this. Every morning when I wake up, I just spray all the soft furniture in the living room so that they smell nice. And I bought, irrelevant, but I went to TK Maxx and I found some rose water, rose oil, I don't know, pillow sprays, and they smell amazing. And I spray them on the pillows on my sofa, and my sofa smells really, really nice. That's not relevant, but anyway, since we're talking about scents. I also got the Bold Lenor, which one's this? This is, I don't know what it is. It's got some flowers on it, I'm guessing, so it's going to be floral. So I got that. That's what I use in my washing machine. Let me show you what else. I got the foam freshener, no need to vacuum, Fabulosa. I love using these on my carpet. I usually buy the 1001, but because I saw that this one again was wild rhubarb, I thought I'd give it a shot. It smells really, really nice. You just spray this on your carpet and then it dries up, so that's great. So I got that. Let's continue. What else did I get? I got these Wool Light In Wash Scent Booster. Again, rose, because I just love roses. I put this when I'm washing my clothes. I put in the softener, the bold, and then a scent to make my washing smell nice. And I think I heard someone say these are better for the environment. Not sure though. I'm not gonna, don't quote me on that. Then I also got, this is the first time I've bought Zaflora, but I got the Zaflora Disinfectant Midnight Blooms, and I'm going to show you, I'm going to smell it first of all. Let's see what Midnight Blooms smells like. Let's see. Ooh, it smells like, I had a perfume that smelled like that. It smells like orchids or some perfume, floral perfume. Really nice. So this is going to be the disinfectant. And how do you use it? Because I've never used it before. You just, how to use? Use a Zaflora 1 in 40 with water, 1 cap in 400 mils. And then you just use it all around the house. You can use as a spray as well. That's good. So I'm going to try that for the first time. So these are all the cleaning products I got, and then I got some random bits and bobs. Food, actually, not food, but yeah. I got these command strips, which are for putting up things on the wall, and they don't cause any damage. I got these Choc sandwich Cadbury biscuits. I really like dunking them in coffee, which I'm not supposed to be eating biscuits, but what can I say? But of course, if I'm going to have biscuits, I might as well accompany it with Diet Coke, because you can't have biscuits and full fat Coke. Anyway, so that's that. And I used to get these in Germany, and I found that they sell them here as well. So they're from they're called Knoppers. That's what they call them in Germany. So that's what I'm going to say. Knoppers. They are really nice if you have kids, just a snack, or if you want it yourself, just a nice little treat. you get for, I think they're £1. I think you can get them at Poundland as well. So that is my B&M haul. I hope you enjoyed it. This is my second B&M haul, so if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up so I can know and keep filming. I love going to B&M. It's just like my favorite place to find all these cleaning stuff. So yeah, I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.